Hey there, and welcome back to the Course Podcast, the show where we help course creators just like you unlock new opportunities and reach new audiences. I'm your host, Kat Dunn, and since 2015, I've been on a mission to help 1 million people teach 1 million people by providing turnkey, done-for-you course building services. As a professional instructional designer with a master's degree in instructional design, a master's degree in business, plus more than 20 years of experience, I've worked with some of the most recognizable brands in the world. Our agency has built courses for Walmart, Verizon Wireless, Uber Eats, the federal government, countless schools and nonprofits. We've built over 17,000 courses over 5 countries and 3 continents. And to date, our clients have earned over $400 million. We've been featured on ABC, CBS, and NBC for our course building expertise. And today, we're talking about how you can use AI to sell your courses, not build them. And I'll tell you why. And if you stick around till the end, I've got a resource for you in the description of this video with the exact AI prompts that you can use to start leveraging this powerful tool for your course sales. So if you're ready, let's get on course. First things first, why are we focused on selling your courses with AI rather than building them? Here's the truth. AI is an incredible tool. It can analyze data, predict trends, and automate repetitive tasks. But what it can't do is be you. Your course should reflect your voice, your expertise, and your anecdotes. It's your stories and unique perspectives that resonate with your audience, not a generic AI-generated script. When people buy a course, they're not just buying content, they're buying your insight, your journey, and your ability to connect the dots in a way that only you can. AI might help you organize your thoughts or enhance certain aspects of your course, that's true, but it can't replace your authenticity. That's why building your course needs to come from you. But selling it, now that's where AI truly shines. So how exactly can AI help you to sell your courses? Let's break it down into 3 key areas: audience targeting, personalized outreach, and content automation. Audience targeting is something that you can use AI tools for to analyze large data sets or identify who your ideal customers are. For example, tools like Facebook Ads Manager or Google Analytics use machine learning to help you find the right audience based on demographics, behavior, and even interests. You can use this data to craft targeted campaigns that reach HR managers, school administrators, or nonprofit leaders who are the decision makers for purchasing your courses. Personalized outreach is the name of the game when it comes to B2B sales. AI-powered platforms like HubSpot or Salesforce can help you craft emails and messages that feel custom-made for each prospect. However, you can use a free tool like ChatGPT. And remember, I've got a free resource for you in the comments section that you can use prompts for to get started. Your prospects will feel seen, heard, and understood, which increases the chances of closing the deal. AI can also handle repetitive tasks like creating social media posts or writing email sequences. Tools like ChatGPT can draft content based on your input, freeing up your time to focus on high-value tasks like pitching to corporate clients or building relationships. Now, let's revisit why it's so important your courses come from you, not AI. Here's the thing. When you're selling courses to businesses, schools, or nonprofits, you're often dealing with highly experienced professionals who value depth and authenticity. These organizations aren't looking for cookie cutter solutions. They want actionable, insights, real world examples, and practical takeaways that align with their unique challenges. And guess what? That's something that only you can provide because you've lived it. Your anecdotes, your analysis, and your expertise are what make courses stand out. AI cannot replicate the passion or nuance that comes from your personal experience. That's why I always tell my clients, let AI handle the selling, but make sure the course content is you. So, how do you get started with using AI to sell your courses? Here are 3 actionable steps that you can try right now. Use tools like Google Trends or BuzzSumo to identify what is actually trending in your niche. This can help you position your course as the perfect solution to current challenges. Set up email automation workflows and use tools like ActiveCampaign or MailChimp. You want to create sequences that actually nurture your audience and move them closer to making a purchase. Next, we're going to optimize your pitch deck. AI-powered design tools like Canva can help you create professional, visually appealing pitch decks to present your course to potential buyers. These decks should highlight the unique value your course offers and how it solves their specific pain points. Oh, and don't forget to check out that resource that I have for you in the comments. I do receive a small commission when you use the link that is in the description, but I'm only giving you tools that I use myself and ones that I highly recommend. Next, to wrap things up, I want you to remember this. AI is a tool, not a replacement. Use it to enhance your sales process, not to take shortcuts on your course creation. By leveraging AI to target the right audience, personalize your outreach, and automate your content, you can spend more time focusing on what you do best, delivering incredible value through your courses. If you found this episode helpful, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment, and share this with fellow course creators. And hey, if you're ready to take your course sales to the next level, check out my B2B Course Sales Kickstart Kit. It's packed with templates and resources to help you start selling to businesses, schools, and nonprofits today. Let's get on course to your success. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Until then, stay authentic, stay driven, and stay on course.